How to use Betano's promotions and bonus offers. If you want to use Betano's promotions and bonus offers, it's very simple to do so. What we have to do is we have to simply open up our browser, and once we open up our browser, you want to go to betano.com or betano.co.uk. After you log into your account, from the top of the menu, you can see different options. Go to the one that says offers. First of all, if you have any type of bonus code that you want to redeem, you can enter the code manually here and hit the apply button to redeem the bonus code. After that, accordingly, you'll see different type of promotional offers they are running. So for the football welcome offer, you can bet 10 euros and get 30 euros. You can see opt-in required. So you have to opt in to any of these bets, and whenever you're going ahead and then you fulfill the requirement for that bet, you will be able to claim the bonus offers and promotion bonuses. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.